Okay, so this is a 3D model of an existing structure. We're gonna spin it around and look around. This is really good. You're creating like a digital twin of your site or of your existing project or whatever you need it for. Um, that's really good for records, for anything you want, and it's really good for inspection. So if I click this inspection tool right here, you'll see all the photos that were taken to generate this map. And let's say you want to inspect, let's say, the facade of the building. So if we come down here, let's take a look at this one right here. So you'll be able to zoom in and see the facade of the building. Let's say this is a new construction project and we had these scratches right here. You just hit this issue tool. You can outline that and then send that to all parties involved with the paint or whatever subcontractors that this issue needs to be resolved. It's really cool. Same with any photo on here. We can go in and look at the HVAC units. We can look at the exhaust duct, the skylights. We can really zoom in and look at electrical, look at the roofing, the shape the roofing's in, what needs fixed, what needs addressed. Just a lot of use cases here. And the same with the orthomosaic. You have all the tools. So there's a million points here, a million survey grade points. You can pull this and put anywhere on site. Let's say, for example, over here we have a ground control point. So I can line it up center of that ground control point. Click here. We have our elevation and our latitude and longitude, and you can pull that anywhere on the site. So if you can go into your civil drawings where it shows you a point, let's say on a curb, and pull that point up on the civil, and then actually on your map pull that point up and see if it's correct or not. See if that curb is where it's supposed to be. This a lot of ways to check your subs and check to see how things are going. Especially elevations, it's a really big deal. Manhole covers, grease interceptor covers, all kinds of just use cases. And the use cases are just truly endless with this software. And again, all this software, all the exports work in Autodesk, Revit, Recap, QGIS, GIS, AutoCAD, Civil, you name it. Thanks for watching again. This is Jeff with MCW LLC.